Dancing to the moonlight.
Welcome to my another episode of Arch MotoVlog. And today's episode is all about an update about what happened after I tried to install my Android backup camera and what device that really helped me. Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So you could see from here to here, and this is my new Android backup camera, and this little guy that really saved my day. You had no idea how much this rectifier or really saved my day and made my job so easy. It was actually suggested by my personal mechanic to make it easier to install my backup camera. With this relay, we didn't have to look and locate the best wiring to tap our backup camera, because with this 2009 BMW X5, not all the wiring reverse wire are providing 12 volts for some reason. That's why a lot of BMW X5 owners are trying to locate the best wirings that have 12 volts for the reverse lights. So with this rectifier relay, you didn't have to locate and find that magic wiring for only about $10 from Amazon. So this filter rectifier adapter for the backup camera, very easy to install. It's like a plug and play. So after I installed my backup camera and tested it, I had to also change the input for my backup camera to AHD from CVBS, because CVBS input was the default input for my from my Android when I after I connected the whole system. So here you could see all my backup camera view operational except for the radars, because all my radars have been disconnected before for due to my previous electrical issues, and we did not reconnected them. But I'm happy that the backup camera is finally working.